Hello, my name is Hittesh Worrah. I am an IT consultant. One day I was going through Facebook and came across Pradeep Signal Sir's Facebook page where he was offering a basic numerology course as very economical price, which I was very much surprised. So I immediately joined the course, and what I experienced that the teaching method of Pradeep sir is very simple and very simple and very easy to understand. And the remedies is shown in this course is also very economical, where anybody can afford it. So once I completed the basic course, then I was interested in knowing much more about it. So I joined the professional course immediately. So I once I joined the professional, then I, I I experienced that sir has very deep knowledge on his subject, and he is thorough in the teaching it. And the teaching method is very simple. He makes you understand the subject very easily. If any case, if you are stuck somewhere, he will not leave you till it clear your doubt or your where you are stuck. It clear your hindrances anywhere in between. And one more thing I have observed, that Pradeep sir is always available after the even course is complete. If you ask them any query, you send them any WhatsApp message, he immediately replies whenever he gets the time, and is very easy to approach. After doing my this professional as well basic course, then I thought that I should also get much more knowledge, and what I taken this so far I got the knowledge. So now I have joined the master course with Pradeep sir, and I tell you it's very easy to understand, and I find Pradeep sir is very humble and down to earth, and he has a very deep knowledge. Once again I reiterate, and he has very good understanding of numbers and numerology. I advise all the people who are interested in numerology or wants to make the career or a profession, you must join Pradeep sir's classes. He is very nice. Thank you very much, Pradeep sir, being my mentor and guru. I am very much grateful to you. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Once again, thank you, sir.